All right, what's going on, everybody? Today's futures day trade recap. Uh, so in my Top Step account, I only walked away with $25. I took 5 trades, and one of those was a loser. The other ones were scalps, as you can see here on the 5-minute chart. Um, First one, I took this one right here. The price was really choppy, so by the time I got in, it moved down to my break even. So I adjusted my stop to lock in some profit, and the price jumped and stopped me out, and then it continued down before um, jumping right back up. It was really choppy in like the first I guess like 30 to 45 minutes of the open. It was really choppy, so I took that one and I saw the choppiness, and I just waited for the price action to come down a bit, and then I saw the trend reversing a little bit here, so I took this, which ended up to be another scalp. I saw the market didn't have that much energy when we got up here. It's like maybe 10 points from the high of the day at that time. So I just, based off of price action, I went ahead and just took a scalp here, and the price came back down, and this is why I took the loss. Just based off my strategy and how I trade, I went ahead and entered the trade here, but still the price was the market was still too choppy, so I got stopped out for a loss, put me red on the day, and then once I saw the price going back bullish, took another one right here. Again, price action stopped me out for just a scalp, and then I took this one. Now this one I actually ended up over managing, because you can see I got in right here. I got in at a good area. Now I could have held it, but the price got a little, like, it was catching a lot of resistance. This was the high of the day at the time, and I saw the price catching a lot of resistance up there, so I went ahead and exited. So I could have held on to it there, or I could have got out where I did and got back in. But by this time, I worked my way back from being red on the day to green, so I didn't want to push it, so I went ahead and got out. Plus, I'm also planning to trade a little bit later after the Federal Reserve news that comes out after 2 p.m. So there's no real reason to push it. Green is green, so this is day 2 of the trading combine. So green is progress. And but I also paper traded. Actually, this move here, I paper traded some of it, and I did really good in the paper trade account. So I took a screenshot of the activity log, and you can see here I ended up walking away out of the paper trade with $530. So I only took one loss, and I was really aggressive, and I just hit the button. So I was really aggressive and taking just about every opportunity I saw, and it turned out to really work in my favor today. This doesn't always happen when I paper trade, but today the market was just was good for my strategy. But so that's how the morning turned out. Like I said, I do plan on trading later on in the afternoon after the Fed news is released. It depends on how it depends on the pulse of the market at that time. Usually on Fed news, you get a lot of action. I think the last couple of times we had news like this come out, it wasn't. You get like a spike, and then not much happened after that. So I'm just gonna watch it and see what happens, and if I see a good opportunity, I'll take it. If not, it's not a big deal. We can trade tomorrow. Let's see what else. And let's see. So this is the result of yesterday. see, I made so right now this is where I'm sitting at in this account. $30,217.60, and most of that is due to for now how they do their paper trade. Apparently, there's not supposed to be any commissions for the TS Trader platform, but I think they just calculate. This is only paper trading anyway, so they calculate in the commissions and the fees into your daily to all your trades, just like you would trade anything else. They go ahead and put that in there as well. In most paper trade accounts, or most paper trading platforms, they don't it doesn't really calculate for fees. But I think this is a good thing, because you'll see, even though you're not trading real money, you can see the actual results if you were trading with real money. Unlike in like with most paper trading accounts and platforms, they don't show you that, so you don't really get a full picture of how your trading and your strategy will work out. So all right, so that's pretty much how my day went, and this is officially day 2 in the trading in the combine. 2 green days in a row, even though today wasn't that great. I wasn't expecting it to be great, because usually on days where you have Federal Reserve news, you don't really see a lot of action in the pre-market. Mostly this year, there's been a lot of sell-off in the pre-market, but today we had some bulls coming in the pre-market before the 1400 Fed news, or the 2 p.m. Fed news. And so I'm definitely would have wanted to add more to my have a bigger progress towards the target that I'm trying, the $2,000 target that I'm trying to get within this 5 days. But green is green. It's another winning day, 2 green days in a row. Still sitting at 100% on the winning days, so I can't complain. As usual, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you like the things that I talk about on this channel, subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.